At some point, I know we have all wondered what is inside a phone battery, and we have always thought about opening our phone or taking a spare and checking it out. So today I just got a battery for that reason. Let's do some crazy experiments and check what is inside a battery. But first, please be warned that opening a battery can be very dangerous and can cause fire or explosions. Also, if you have any allergies or anything that might cause your skin to be irritated, take some precautions also. Otherwise, let's get to it. So a lithium-ion battery is made up of an anode, a cathode, and a separator that separates the two terminals. Now the cathode and anode are made up of lithium, which is this. Let's get. So if you're enjoying this, please do like, subscribe, and comment. That would be amazing. Now this battery is, because it has been used, it has been punctured, there was a lot of decomposition, and as you can see, this is what remains of the lithium ion substrate, the strip that was made up of lithium ion. So I don't know if this will be able to carry on to the next part of this, which is an experiment of me dipping this in water and see if it will catch fire, but we shall find out. So there is nothing much here. This is basically what carries the power in your phone. So now I've seen people do these experiments, so it's not something hard, but we have to do it outside. So let's go outside. Now, as we have seen, contrary to our expectations, the lithium strip did not catch fire, did not explode. There was no violent reaction. Lithium is generally very reactive and it's also good for storing power. That's why it's used in batteries. But in this case, I guess because there was so much decomposition in the battery, the lithium got decomposed, and thus it's not as reactive as it's supposed to be. In the future, I'll try again this experiment with a battery that is newer and see if we'll manage to catch some fire. If you want to catch that video, please do consider subscribing and pressing that bell icon so that when that video is up, you'll be able to watch it. Otherwise, as always, thank you for watching. I hope that I see you in the next one.